In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make some money with Midjourney or some other AI creation tools through Etsy, which is really a nice method to do, and you can make up to $1,000 a month or even more with this method easily. So let's get right into this. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to not miss anything, and make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. But now let's get right into this. Alright, first what we want to do is we want to go to Google, and here we want to search for something called AI sticker generator. I'm not going to use Midjourney for this, but I will use hotpot.ai. So I will just click on that, and now I can input something they should draw. So I will say an owl sticker that has, so I will just do that and then click on create. So I will have to wait a second now. And as you guys can see, it has created this owl for me. So I will just download that. And then I can move on to the next one. I can create a sticker. Crocodile cartoon style. So I will just create that then. So we'll have to wait a second. And I think this looks really cool. So I will just download that one as well. And then we can have a last one. So we are going to create a lion sticker with no background. So we'll have to wait a second again, and then our last sticker will be created. Obviously you can create much more stickers, but I will just stick with 3 right now. And here we have a lion, and now we have our 3 stickers. So if we just go on here, we have this sticker, and this sticker we can use and sell. So now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and go on to Etsy. So search for Etsy on Google and then click on Etsy. And here what you can basically do is just sign in or sign up if you don't have an account already, and then you can start into selling. So we can just search for what we are selling, art stickers. So that's what we are going to sell. Just like these stickers right here, we are going to sell our own stickers. Here they have some cool stickers, but we have even cooler stickers with our free stickers. So we are going to sell that for a price here on Etsy. And as you guys can see, a lot of people like this. 18,000 reviews. So a lot of people buy these kind of stickers, and you can make a lot of money, even though it's not a high price, since you have to price it at like $8 to $4. But you can just sell lots of these, and it is a digital product. You don't even need to send out. So this is really cool, and you can make a lot of money through these stickers. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, definitely make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. And if you have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section and I will try to reply. And with that said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.